Good morning, fellow antique hunters and stuff. Welcome back to the Antique Fanatic. We're on the road, stopping to get my morning Scottish food. Yeah. Getting up early, gonna go see a friend and get some good stuff. I'll show you in a minute. Oh yeah, so a little teaser. I'm going to pick up a couple of fans. I live in my downtime on Marketplace. I don't encourage people to do that, because that can, yeah, it'll consume you. It's a good place to get stuff. Anyway, dude had a cool fan on there. I was looking at it, talking to him about it, doing some research, making sure everything was legit and good. Just so happened to look in the background of the photo, and there was another fan, a very good one. So I asked him about it. He acted as if he almost didn't even remember having it, though it was big as life right there in his living room. It's funny. Anyway, we worked out a deal. Gonna get both of them. Just so happens my buddy Mark lives about 8 miles from the fella, and he picked them up for me. We're gonna go see Mark and see his collection today, so it's gonna be fun. Oh yeah, did I mention this is another 10-hour trip? Anybody got a phone number for a good psychiatrist? Well, we made it at my buddy Mark's house. Let's go see what he got for us. Okay, folks, we are in box fan heaven at the Antique Fanatic with good friend Mark Allen. He's letting us come in and take a look at some of the cool stuff he's got. So we'll spin you around here and show you some amazing stuff. Very well stored too. These are box fans, like in the original box, mint condition, wrapped in plastic to protect them.
This one here sat in my bedroom doorway for my border collie, and other than cleaning and oiling, it ran for 15 years.
Wow.
The day that she died, I unplugged it, turned it off, wrapped it up, and it's been sitting there ever since. She died in 2012. But
More
Actually,
fans.
bigger fans up in there. Big Emerson reversible belt drive that's missing the motor out of it.
Okay, my head's spinning. My head's spinning, Mark. There's so much
More
stuff.
back there.
Holy moly. That
That
belt
takes,
drive, folks.
240 volt, 3/4 horse motor.
Check that beast out. Belt drive Fanatics.
This one came from Doc's years ago.
Yeah, gum, and there's another one.
That one's Sears Homer. And I bought it from a lady that her dad had died. He had the motor off of there. And all I had to do was put the motor back on, find the belt.
Well, I know somebody that would love those belt drives, and his name is spelt Bill Phantom. This is gorgeous. This deluxe Sears.
Fortunately, I think it's got capacitor problems.
Well, it's still pretty.
Yeah, I just
And I
haven't
love this.
I haven't
this-
gotten around to. Oh, I've used this over here.
That's beautiful color.
Stand is kind of rusted, but I plan on cleaning it up.
Now, this I'm in love with. That's my cup of
You know,
tea.
I have two of these. The other one has the hex motor and the 3 blades.
Uh-huh.
You know who I bought that from?
I have no idea.
You.
That's our smooth runner. I don't think I've seen these in the 4-blade. I've got one that's got the mesh guard in the front.
I've actually got another one that's this was called
Air
it
jet
wasn't
thing.
called a Riviera.
No, Whirler.
Whirler. I've got another one that's a Riviera. No, I've got one of these. There's a big cast iron plate that sits on. Way back. But either way, those grills make all the difference in the world. The bottom 10 feet away, it's like put those on it. Put all the way across that. That's actually a ceiling mount.
I see. Made 'em a base.
To a plate.
This is a scratch and dent pile.
Yeah. Well,
Some.
yeah.
So much stuff. Alright, I'm going to try to get back around and get some footage.
Let me.
I'll just sneak over here.
You ain't gonna get back there that way either.
Well, I can get a camera angle.
I'm gonna say, let me sneak around there and open
Oh,
the garage
wow.
doors.
Ooh, I like that Sears. That's cute.
Because the other ones, that one Rod got me, that came from the Democrat headquarters in Springfield.
Which one we talking about?
That monarch pedestal up there,
Oh, that big one.
which doesn't mean anything to me where it came from, but
I think that's cool to have the story.
that's one.
Stuff. Holy moly.
This is just part of them. There's more over here. And there's more in my basement. A lot of most of the box fans are here, but a lot of the oscillating fans and stuff are in shelves in my basement. That one's ill. There's the
Riviera.
short pedestal. This is actually a
Yeah. Oh.
but
Oh, that is a pedestal. Okay.
yeah. And the cat.
Today on the Antique FANatic, we're going to see if we can get this running and drive it 400 miles home. Wait, No, that's a different channel. Sorry.
Some of the stuff I picked up along the road. Some of it's been bought here and there.
Detect a theme.
Made the trip around the block for Mom's garage sales. It's sitting on a wood carton, but not common wire. Made the trip around the block for Mom's garage sales. It's sitting on a wood carton with wheels on it.
More boxing. I would say Mark has a problem, but I would be indicting myself.
If you look back in from here, there's 2 shelves full of ceiling fans. More over here.
Holy moly, Mark.
I just got
What
this
is,
one.
what in the heck is this?
I just got that Chelsea, and unfortunately, somebody stuck a different motor in it. You haven't seen that yet?
I think I may have seen that on the line, but it doesn't, you can't,
You can't,
you gotta see it.
you just can't.
Well, can you shed some light on this bad boy? Because I think the folks would love to see it.
Where is,
It's worth the drive just to see this.
oh,
Do I need safety goggles?
got an Emerson motor on it.
All right, Mark, stand beside of it so people can tell how big that fan is. Yeah.
Got
Motor down below. Belt driven. What's the diameter on that? 48? Is that a 48?
Probably.
And who made it?
I don't know. People had one. I went down south of St. Louis and picked that up. Some guy had it in the garage.
Hey y'all. It's been a long day. I hope y'all don't get bored, but it seems like I do the same thing all the time. Sometimes when I'm on the road, I think to myself, you should spend more time in the shop playing with the toys that you got. And that makes a lot more sense. Probably won't change me. Just wondering if y'all had those thoughts. Anyway, see you soon. Yo, what up? Another road trip is in the books. It's all over except the toting. My back really is looking forward to that. Yeah. Looking forward to a couch and a bed too. But you can't rest on the laurels. So let's get to unloading this bad boy. Well, we made it back home. I think my brain fell out or something. I don't make good decisions anymore, but heading up the road, and I was tired this morning. Didn't want to get out of the bed. But I was like, yeah, we can do it. Slow and steady wins the race. That's what I was saying. Sorry for the bad lighting. Anyway, thanks for going along with us. I hope you enjoyed it. Next week, I think I want to get out in the shop, get behind on my projects. They just keep piling up. It's called the fan collector curse. Those of you that collect know what I'm talking about. So I'll catch you on the flip side or in the shop, whatever comes first. See you.